Truly a complete marketing plan for all Santa Clarita residential real estate, including those other properties located in our adjoining cities. So you can be assured that you will have the most exposure for your real estate listing. I have been selling houses since 1998 as Connor with Honor and Santa Clarita Open Houses.com, where we are positioned online to give your house the most local exposure for those people that are searching in the Santa Clarita areas. Now, having said that, there's also other marketing and advertising expenses that I take on to be able to publish and advertise your home, your condo, your townhome for sale that is located here in the Santa Clarita Valley cities. I have been selling real estate since 1998. I come with a first responder background, and I'm here to show you what I'm able to do as it applies to the house that you want us to sell for you. Please check it out online. You can see everything that's currently listed for sale, plus other information with regard to what I write on a daily basis about the Santa Clarita real estate market at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching.